All right, so it has been a little while since we've had a giant pump and dump in the just, ridiculous supernova mode that I feature in my penny stocking part deux, Tim Line penny stocking framework, Tim Raw DVDs. Here we have it, first down day on JIDG. This is usually the beginning of the end. Mind you, this company is still a $7.7 billion market cap. It's right now first down day at 684. I'm recording this video because I want to show you. I actually just shorted this 2 minutes ago at 674, 4,000 shares. I'm going to send out the trade alert right now because normally it would have been sooner, but I wanted to get it on video just to show you why I am short at what 674 is my average, and this is my high net worth broker. I wish more brokers had shares to short. Sometimes E-Trade has shares to short, but when I click on E-Trade and I try and short, it says your sell short order cannot be processed. So you need multiple brokers sometimes. I wish the game were easier. I wish I could short 1 million shares of this stock because it is up from the twos. It is first down day here in the sixes. If you saw earlier today, I had a little nearly $1,000 profit shorting in the sevens and covering the sixes. I made 10%, and now I'm reshort mainly because the morning bounce attempt got up to 7.4 and then 7.1, and now here it is. Probably could have gotten a better execution, but I've been at the New York Stock Exchange today, as I'll tell you about in the future. So I didn't get a perfect execution on my 670s. Probably could have gotten it better, and saved myself a few $1,000s shorting it in the midday lull. But sometimes, life gets in the way of trading. More importantly, this morning panic from 8 down to 6 is likely a precursor to what is going to happen tomorrow. This is such a classic pump and dump pattern from 2 to 8 and now first down day. You get the first drop, which I profited on, and then you get the bounce. This is, a number 4. This is a number 5 for my 7-step penny stocking framework DVD, if you've watched that. And now this is a classic short selling opportunity. If and when it takes out the day low here at 618, it is free fall. I hope it doesn't happen today because I really don't want to be tempted to take profits. If it does take out the day low here at 618, it's already down 15% on the day. So maybe it goes down 20 or 30%, but it's tough to drop 50% in a day. So ideally it downtrends, in the 670s, 660s, 650s. Maybe it breaks a day low, but tomorrow I would love to cover in the 4s or even the 3s because this pattern can crash so quickly, and mainly also now because of we have a Forbes expose. This just came out, an hour ago. It has a whopping 120 views. No one cares. And here's 175 views. I linked this in my alert. So a lot of people are like, "Oh, Tim, you short sell these stocks, and then all your other subscribers short sell it, and the stocks tank." Well, it's now been several minutes since I shorted and sent out the alert, and what's going on? There's been 100 share buy. Most people cannot find shares to short. So I don't short this to be like, oh, this is an amazing opportunity. It's more educational. The first down day on a pump and dump with an expose that just came out, and it's an unknown Chinese MLM promoter, and he didn't really make 5 billion. This is just a headline number. He has restricted stock, but this is what this piece of crap company is, and I highly suggest you to read this Forbes expose. The guy brings up a very good point that it reminds him of CYNK. Where is CYNK? Somewhere in this. It's in this article somewhere. Where is CYNK? I have to find this. I went on Fox a little while back. Here's CYNK. So instead, this like wax-winged billion-dollar penny stock such as Belize-based CYNK, which was worth roughly $6 billion before losing 99% of its value. And a lot of people are like, "Oh, it's a scam." By the way, this is going up after my short. Just to show you, a lot of people are saying, "Oh, your alerts influence the price. It's gone up 20 cents a share since I sent out the alert because, frankly, there's just not a lot of shares to short. And even if you are shorting, it's scary. I might actually have a loss on this. I'm going to try and give it some time. But, this is usually the first down day. This is the beginning. Anyways, CYNK, I went on Fox because a lot of people said that it was a scam and it was totally illegal. Well, guess what? CYNK kept going. And it actually, at its peak, let me show you, it was more than 200 days ago. Wow, time flies. This was CYNK, and it went from 20 cents to $20 a share. So this is not a gimme here, shorting it in the sixes. But the first down day protects me. And I've already locked in nearly $1,000 in profits on my first short. And, CYNK actually got halted and then came crashing down. I don't know if JIDG will get halted, but it too is already up from 15 cents. So shorting it in here, I'm no different than a value investor. Value investors like to buy stocks that are at the lows and that are, quote, extreme values. This one, I'm shorting a stock that I believe is valued ridiculously too high. And I think that it's going to come down. So we will see. I just wanted to show you in as close to real time as possible what I'm thinking and how I'm trading. Here is the blog post that I compare it to, Timley/Sykes Trades. And this was a blog post I did with 4 live penny stock trades on video, and it was talking about, I talk about a lot of stuff, but there's 4 live videos of how these pump and dumps crash. And this one is a little less liquid on JIDG, so I don't expect like a big crash right away, which is why I'm kind of glad that I'm doing this video so that you can see this all play out real time over the next 1, 2, 3, 4 days. With the Forbes expose, with the first down day, it's going to be very, very difficult for this to keep going. The good news is that we have pump and dumps galore. I made a video earlier this week with 3 hot pump and dumps to watch. This was one of them. NUGN was the other one, and this one just keeps going. This is going to crash too, but it shows no signs, so I'm not trading it yet. And then EMSF came out of the blue, and this one is up from 1.2 to 2.3. They're promoting themselves as like the next Uber, where they have an app where you can call an ambulance. It's not exactly Uber, but the hard copy mailer is laughable. So sure, good job, good creativity, promoters. I'll give you props on that. Comparing yourself to Uber to order ambulances. This will be a great short too. But as of right now, JIDG is, I think, the best short given the extreme run up, the ridiculous multi-billion dollars in value, and now, the Forbes expose that's only going to be spread and shared among short sellers over the next few hours and days. So I like my odds of shorting this in the high sixes, and earlier today I shorted in the low sevens. So this is what I trade, and I know it's not as exciting as some plays, some penny stock plays that are all crazy, but this is high percentage, and a few $100s, a few $1,000s here or there, 2/3 or 3/4 of the time. That's what I do, and that's my secret. So congratulations if you found shares to short. Congratulations even if you didn't find shares to short and are just watching this stock, and you're going to learn a ton over the next few days. Thanks. See ya.